Hi, my little friends. Have you seen slide before? Do you enjoy sliding? Yes. Do you know sounds also like sliding? Do you want to see how sounds slide together? Yes, they don't jump. They slide together to form a word. Do you want to play the sliding game? Okay, let's get started. Let's see how the sounds are sliding together and forming a word. Do you see here there are three sounds sitting on a slide? Let's see how they slide together and form a word. See how the sounds are sliding and coming to their position. B, ag, bag. Let's say it again. Bag. So they don't jump from one sound to another. Instead, they slide. Bag. Let's see another word. Now see how three letters are sliding and coming to their position. Let's slide them together and form a word. Cap. Say it faster. Cap. It's cap. Wonderful. Let's see in the word. See again three sounds are sliding and sitting on their position. Let's slide them together. Mat. Mat. Say it faster. Mat. Wonderful. Let's see in the word. See how again the sounds are sliding and sitting to their position. Let's slide them together and form a word. Net. 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 It's net. Wonderful. Let's see another words. See again the sounds are sliding on a slide and coming to their position. Let's slide them together to form a word. Wet. Wet. It's wet. Say it faster. Wet. It's wet. Wonderful. Let's see another word. Again, sounds are sliding and coming to their position. Let's slide them together to form a word. Poet. Poet. Pet. Say it faster. Pet. Wonderful. Let's see another word. Again, the sounds are sliding and coming to their position. Let's slide them together to form a word. Sip, sip, sip. Okay, so we don't jump to the sounds. Instead, we slide it. Sip. Okay, let's form another word. Again, the sounds are sliding and coming to their position. Let's slide them together and form a word. Fin. It's fin. Say it faster. Fin. Wonderful. Let's see another word. Now again, the three sounds are sliding on a slide and coming to their position to form a word. Let's sound the slide and form a word. Dip. Dip. Say it faster. Dip. It's dip. Wonderful. Let's see another word. Now the sounds are sliding again and forming a word. Now we will slide the sound to form a word. Hot. Hot. Now say it faster. Hot. It's hot. Wonderful. Let's see another word. Now again, different sounds are sliding and coming to their position to form a word. Now it's time to slide the sounds. Hop. Hop. Now say it faster. Hop. It's hop. Wonderful. Let's see another word. Now again, see the sounds are sliding and coming to their position to form a word. Now it's time to slide the sounds. Odd, rod. Now say it faster. Rod. Wonderful. It's rod. Now let's see another word. Again, the different sounds are sliding and coming to their position to form a word. Now slide them together to form a word. Sun. Sun. It's sun. Say it faster. Sun. Wonderful. Let's see another word. Different sounds are sliding, coming to their position to form a word. And it's time for us to slide those sounds. Tub. Tub. It's tub. Wonderful. It's tub. Let's see another word. See how the sounds are sliding and coming to their position to form a word. Now it's time for us to slide all the sounds. Cup. Cup. Now say it faster. Cup. It's cup. Wonderful. How was the sliding game, dear? Was it interesting? Do you enjoy sliding sounds and forming a word? Do you want to play more such games? Yes? So for more such phonics games, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you again with the next fun game. Till then, bye-bye.